Well, hey gang, how you doing? It's Jonathan again from Tailhunter International. Time once again for the Mexican Minute La Paz video fishing report, coming to you from La Paz, Baja, Mexico on a beautiful Sunday morning. We're here at Espiritu Santo Island today doing our fishing report. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate you subscribing. Thanks for taking the time. Let's talk about fishing. It's been kind of an erratic week overall. Hard to put a finger on it. Some days were good, some days were bad. It kind of followed the kind of weather we had. Some of the days we had great sunny weather, flat seas. Other times we had flat seas, but it was cloudy. We even had some rain and thunder showers that chased us off the water one day. So if the weather was good, the fishing was good. If the weather was a little bit off, fishing was a little bit picky. And that's really the bottom line of what was going on this week. Some days, like I said, it was really good. Other days, really had to search for the fish, really had to work a little bit harder for it. But again, just like last week and the week before, the centerpiece of most of our fishing is the Dorado. Probably 60 to 70% of our catch is Dorado right now, and that's pretty typical of the summer and the warmer months around here in La Paz. The fish are running on the smaller side, 5 to 10 pounds, but as big as 30 and 40 pounds as well. Also, I know we didn't have any for about 2 weeks, but the tuna came back and started hitting around Salvo Island, which is great news. The problem with it is these smaller fish are 40 to 60 pounds. The bigger ones, we'll never know, because some of these fish, wow, they're running 60, 80, 100 pounders. The guys are fighting them an hour or two and then busting them off, so we really don't know how big these fish are. But they're again at the north and the south end of Salvo Island. And for our Las Arenas boats, in addition to the tuna, we're also finding some wahoo as well, plus some big rooster fish, and there's more and more Dorado every week. But again, it all depends upon the weather. Sometimes the water is just, it's flat, but it's gray. The skies are gray, and you can't tell where the horizon ends and the sky begins on some of those days, and it's just total stillness. Humidity is really high. We get a little bit of rain, we get some localized thunder showers, and then the next day it's clear blue and the fish bite again. So it really all depends upon the weather, and that's the bottom line as far as the fishing is concerned this last week. According to the weather forecast for this coming week, it looks like it's going to be kind of on and off again. We're going to have some tropical, maybe some rain in the afternoon, but overall looks like it's going to be pretty good. So we're hoping for some better things coming on. More marlins showing up. We're seeing them on the surface. They're not quite ready to bite, but as these water temperatures increase over the next couple of weeks, right now about 82 degrees on the surface, but as the water temperatures increase, I got a feeling the marlin, the billfish, the sailfish are going to get a little stronger, going to be more eager to bite. So anyway, that's going to do it for our quick Mexican Minute La Paz video fishing report for this past week, the 15th through the 22nd of July. Hope you're doing well. We'll come back to you again next week. Check out the pictures following my little report here, and you can see what we were catching this last week. You take care. Thanks for checking in. This is Jonathan for Tailhunter International in La Paz, Baja, Mexico.